When it comes to improving your Miami Beach home's exterior, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is replacing your old, worn-out doors. The front door is often the focal point of your home's entryway, and a stylish, well-installed door can completely transform the appearance of your property. Whether you're looking to increase your home's curb appeal for personal satisfaction, or preparing to sell, a door replacement is a worthwhile investment. In this article, we'll explore the top ways that door replacement can enhance the curb appeal of your Miami Beach property, as well as provide additional benefits like increased security, energy efficiency, and home value. Improved first impression. Your front door is the first thing people see when they approach your home, so it's important that it makes a great first impression. An old, faded, or damaged door can make your home look neglected, while a new, stylish door can elevate your home's appearance instantly. Design variety. Whether you opt for a modern steel door, a classic wooden entryway, or a more contemporary fiberglass door, replacing your front door offers a chance to update your home's overall look. Glass inserts, decorative hardware, and bold colors can give your front door a unique personality that matches the style of your home. Matching your home's architecture. Miami Beach is home to a variety of architectural styles, from Art Deco to Mediterranean Revival. Choosing a door that complements your home's design, whether it's a sleek, minimalist door for a contemporary home or a rustic, wooden door for a coastal property, can instantly enhance your home's exterior appeal. By choosing a door that matches the design and personality of your home, you can make your property stand out and leave a positive, lasting impression on guests and passers-by. Increased home value. Replacing an old, worn-out door with a new, high-quality door is a smart investment for increasing the value of your property. When you replace your front door, you not only improve its appearance but also contribute to the overall functionality and aesthetic of your home. Appealing to buyers. If you're preparing to sell your Miami Beach home, a new front door can be a major selling point. Buyers often look for homes that are move-in ready and require minimal repairs. A new door gives the impression of a well-maintained property and can increase the home's perceived value. Additionally, energy-efficient doors can appeal to buyers who are conscious of their long-term utility bills. High ROI. According to industry reports, door replacement consistently ranks as one of the home improvement projects with the highest return on investment, ROI. This means that by investing in a new door, you can expect to recoup a significant portion of the cost when you sell your home. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetic reasons or preparing to sell, a new door is an easy and cost-effective way to increase your property's value. Improved security. While aesthetics are important, the security of your home should always be a top priority. Old doors, especially wooden ones, can be vulnerable to break-ins. Replacing your front door with a stronger, more secure door can significantly increase the safety of your home. Stronger materials. Newer steel, fiberglass, and composite doors are much more secure than older wooden doors. These materials are built to withstand the force of an attempted break-in, providing a higher level of protection for your home and family. Enhanced locking systems. Many modern doors come with advanced multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at multiple points along the frame. This makes it much harder for intruders to force the door open. By installing a new door with an upgraded locking system, you can significantly improve your home's security. Replacing your front door with a more secure model not only improves the curb appeal of your property but also provides peace of mind knowing your home is better protected. Energy efficiency and comfort. Miami Beach's tropical climate means that homes are exposed to extreme temperatures throughout the year. Upgrading your door to an energy-efficient model can improve your home's insulation, reduce energy loss, and help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Insulation and seals. Modern energy-efficient doors feature better insulation materials and tighter seals to prevent drafts and minimize heat transfer. This helps your home stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the strain on your air conditioning system and lowering your energy bills. Energy savings. By installing a door with a high-quality weather seal and energy-efficient features, you can significantly improve your home's overall energy performance. This not only contributes to your comfort but also makes your home more environmentally friendly and cost-effective. By upgrading to an energy-efficient front door, you enhance your home's curb appeal and help keep it comfortable and energy-efficient year-round. Low maintenance. Older doors, particularly wooden ones, can require constant maintenance, such as sanding, repainting, and sealing, to keep them in good condition. New doors made from fiberglass or steel require minimal upkeep, saving you time and money in the long run. Durability. Fiberglass doors are resistant to dents, scratches, and fading, making them a great option for homeowners who want a door that will look great for years to come. Steel doors are similarly low maintenance and resistant to warping or rotting. Long-lasting finish. Many modern doors come with factory-applied finishes that require little upkeep, ensuring that your door stays looking beautiful with minimal effort on your part. Conclusion. Door replacement in Miami Beach is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. From enhancing curb appeal and increasing your home's value to improving security, energy efficiency, and reducing maintenance costs, replacing your front door is a smart choice for homeowners looking to make a lasting impact on their property. Whether you're upgrading for personal enjoyment or preparing to sell, a new door offers both functional and aesthetic benefits that can transform your home's exterior and improve its long-term performance.